Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I always say it at the end, but I think I'm going to start saying it in the beginning. So why are we here? Well, Fumi Nation sent me this clip of a couple, and I think that I will just play it for you, and then from there we'll discuss. Okay? All right. Where am I? Let me get this.
Excuse me, where am I supposed to sit?
Okay.
Larry, excuse me, where am I supposed to sit?
You can have my seat.
No, I don't want to have your seat, Larry. I want to sit next to you because I'd want to enjoy my meal with you, not in your seat.
Well, I mean, this is a family, so...
Well, yes, I'm part of that family.
You are?
Mm-hmm. I'm your wife. Yes.
Have my seat.
I don't want to have your seat. I want to sit next to you at the table that we both provide for here in this house, which is both ours.
I'm not moving.
Did I tell you to move? No, but it would be nice. You know, you know I'm here. You know that's where I always sit, Tamara.
Not this year, Bethany, please. Not this year. Everybody's having
Not
a
this
great
year what?
time. Don't start that. Like, just can you just come on in?
Wait a minute. You started this when you sat in my seat, which you knew is the seat next to my husband.
I sat down, and I'm staying right here. I'm going to eat my food today, and I'm going to sit right here, and is this your seat? Oh, well.
Larry, are you kidding me?
Bethany, listen. I don't want to cause any problems right now. Look,
You are the bad energy star. Don't even start.
the family came over. We're going to be a family.
I am a family.
Just take my seat.
No, I don't want to sit in your seat, Larry. I want to sit next to you. I understand the words, would you like to take my seat? I'm not dense, but apparently you are. Because you're not understanding, I want to sit next to you, not in your chair.
I'm trying to be nice here, and you just got to be condescending all the time.
Well, you know, it'd be nice for you to notice when I was walking up, there's not even chairs for Annette and Harvey.
Annette, you can sit right here.
Someday I'll graduate to the big boy table.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Right now.
What do you want me to do? Make everybody he doesn't move?
Well, I mean, it would be nice for... Oh, I'm not surprised. The trash always stays with the rest of the family. I get it. I get it. Yes, I
Are
did.
you calling her trash? You calling the family trash?
Well, you know, I call it trash.
I do it all family.
I'm going in here.
That's fine. That's fine, Harvey. I might join in a minute, but you know what? It's fine. I'm so used to it by now. I'm used to you not backing me up. I'm used to you taking sides. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm almost done. You can have my seat.
No, you know what? I appreciate that, Duchess. You're the only one in this family that treats me like family. I get it. Not even my husband treats me like family. I get it.
Part of the trash?
No, actually, she's
Well, the
not.
rest of us are trash.
Yes.
But you married trash.
You know what? Yeah, and you married trash before. Yeah, and you invited trash to my house.
I'm on the
Yeah,
road with the trash.
yeah, and you created trash.
I've been
And you
trying to
left it
keep
out.
my peace.
Okay.
It's fine. I'm gonna go in your apartment.
Nobody knew it was assigned seats. Like, I didn't know it was assigned seats.
I'm trying to enjoy my
I'm not going to take too much now.
Get that under control.
I'm trying to eat.
Seriously.
I'm eating.
Now, we won't let...
Trying to eat by running your mouth so much? You're over there running it like Mr. Ed.
Eat your food.
So apparently, Bethany and Larry are married, and they had like a little cookout. I think what shocked me was that Larry's ex-wife was the woman sitting across from him on the other side. I don't understand the dynamic of Larry bringing or allowing his ex-wife to come to a family do. Right there, there's going to be tension. 1,000,000,000%. Bethany, your tone from the very beginning was a little bit aggressive. Larry, where am I supposed to sit? Your tone was a bit aggressive. Next time, grab a chair. Grab a chair from wherever and just bring it to the table and sit down. Okay? And that way, you don't invite people to disrespect you. Sometimes you have to think of the bigger picture. Because what I know for fact, sometimes when you say or do something, you also have to take into account that the reaction that you might receive might not be one that you are prepared for or ready to embrace. I don't think you were prepared for the way Larry was going to behave. You were assuming that Larry would grab a chair for you, grab your plate, you sit down, and then you could just look opposite the ex-wife and say, yes, I am queen here. Instead, you found yourself in the sitting room alone with your 2 other white guests. That did not make me feel good at all, because that's how it looked, and it was wrong. So your tone, you do things a lot out here in these streets with honey, you'll get further than to do it with vinegar or salt. You're just not going to do it. You got to be careful, because sugar and salt look alike, but they are very different. That's just a piece of advice out here in these relationship streets. Okay, mama? I'm so sorry. I really am. And I'm on your side. If I'm going to choose sides, I choose your side. You did not have to be treated like that, especially when you pointed it out. Whether you were salty or not, that should have been rectified by your husband right away. Okay? I live for you. Love, love. And if I was there, I would have given you a big, huge hug. And this is why when you're having family and you're sitting, you need to have place settings and name settings of where and who should sit where. That would have avoided this. Everybody casually sat down to eat, which for me kind of bothered me, because I wanted to know who helped you in the kitchen. And why did everybody decide to eat and not wait for you to come to the table so that you could all eat together? You were concerned about sitting by your husband because you want to eat with him. But there were about 6 other people at the table. So everybody should have been included in you wanting to sit at the table. But I think that your focus was to the ex-wife, and I don't know why the ex-wife was there. And it seems as if she gets along very well with his family. And right there is not cool by me. It's not cool that they're sitting with her over there. And I wouldn't be happy if his ex-wife saw his family. And yet there's nothing you could do about it. Would I like it? No, but there's nothing I can do about it, because the 2 of them were married once upon a time, and it seems that they still get along. You are the new wife, and they should have respected you. And his family members should have said, but where's our beautiful sister-in-law going to sit? That should have come up. Boombaya. I think about it. If my sister comes with Ron and the children, 100% they would have had a place to, Ron would have had a place to sit. I'm just trying to think about it. 100%. And the children. Or the children would have been eating with Adrian, somewhere else, so that they can play around and do whatever. But all 4 of us, we would have sat. If Yonju, Yastami was sat, it absolutely, it would not have been a question where they were to sit. And I believe 100% without doubting, the one would have had a place for me to sit, Yastami for Ula to sit, 100%. The sitting arrangement is not the issue for me. It's that the sitting arrangement brought up glaring issues in your marriage and in the kind of relationship you have with your in-laws. Because your in-laws also should have stepped up and said, Larry, no way will we sit here and allow your ex-wife to be in your home with your wife, your present wife for that matter. Absolutely not. Instead, your sister-in-law was like, not this year, I'm eating my food, not this year. I'm just trying to eat my food, Bethany. I'm not trying to deal with you. The disrespect. If you cannot be respected in your home, there's nowhere else you can be respected. Because I can only imagine if this had happened in your in-laws' home. Larry, you are a hot, smoking mess. Your in-laws, your family have to respect your wife. And once you disrespect your wife, it gives precedence, it gives the red flag for your family to disrespect her. You disrespected her by bringing your first wife to your home, for allowing your first wife to come in, for your ex-wife to sit down there. For what exactly? Eating the food that she prepared. Oh wow. I can see divorce in the sky. and I can see her taking half. 1,000,000,000%. Hot smoking mess. Oh, go ahead and take mine. As if to say, here she come again. It's all right. You know what? Let me just get up and leave the woman there. No, that is disrespectful. That is so wrong on so many levels. And that was why your sister, your cousin, whomever said, not this year, Bethany, because you disrespected her. You absolutely did. And you disrespected yourself. And then you sat and said, I'm eating. I'm eating. And you have 2 other members, whether they're friends of Bethany, but they should have been included into the table. Extend the table, or everybody eat in the sitting room, and then just put all of the food on the table like a buffet setting where everybody can pick and choose what they want. Because you're not mature enough for you now to respect your wife. I've just come off the other episode where Brooklyn is fighting for his wife Nicola. Here you are where you've thrown your wife to the dogs. What's wrong with you people? What's wrong with you? And it's a mixed marriage. And I say that because cultures can be different, and she's the only one there. She's outnumbered in her whiteness. I'm going to call it for what it is because it's a mixed marriage out here in these streets. So I am very aware, and I make sure that everything is copacetic. Well, thank you, Father Almighty. My family is not like that. Never, ever. On the contrary, Ula, come and sit with us. Ula, is there anything that you would like? Should we make some sandwiches for you? Sandwiches would have been there. And that is the truth. When I was getting married, my mother came. Where was she? She was Gonke had just had Quincy. And you know, you have duty free, and so she packed all of the salmon and the cheeses and other things that she kind of figured would be appeasing to Ula and his family that were coming all the way to Nigeria for the wedding. You don't have any common sense for you to get up and right away compliment your wife how wonderful she looks. Start there. Darling, can I help you? Even if it's just an act for the day, she will appreciate it because you put her on a pedestal in front of your family, as you should do every single time, so that it don't ever get it twisted. This is how we roll in this house. Under that, I could have said, okay, you know what? Even if you're bringing your ex-wife there, let her know who is queen. You did not do that in this matter. I'm so proud that she read you right there and told you exactly how she felt. What was she supposed to do? You put her in the fighting zone. She had to fight back. She had to fight back with her mouth. And again, like I said, this marriage is not going to last. Because you see, this is where deep resentment really festers. And you don't get over it like that. Because she will be crying herself to sleep tonight. Well, that night. I know she did. Because you hurt her deeply. You hurt her deeply. And it comes about with all of these insecurities. I'm not good enough. I don't measure up enough. I miss my family. And she has other families that will be in her ear telling her, I told you he's not good. I told you these black folk are not good. It will come up. And I'm calling it for what it is. Very, very disappointed in you, Larry. Call me. Let us have a counseling session because we need to get to the bottom of this. If you have children, this is not going to be good. And you have a lot of work to do with your wife to repair this heart smoking mess. Darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe. Hit the notification button and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair. length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Some of you might know when I started having my meet and greets, the first meet and greet that I ever had was at OPV Beauty's beauty salon. And I have loved their products. I have loved their brand ever since. Anyway, my darlings, we have for OPV Beauty your portable beauty stand where you can put all of your makeup and all of your stuff together. It's like a roll-on suitcase and it's the most beautiful color. It's a wonderful rose gold pink. So you just take it up like this and you can just roll it out. It's so perfect when you're traveling. It's so perfect when you're going for your events and stuff. You just have it like so. Put it on a chair. You're good to go. So let us open it. And please do not forget, my darlings, to use my discount code. Oh, look at the sensationalism of it all. A mirror here. And then, my darlings, just look. It lifts out and you have your makeup tray over here. Is this not gorgeous? Look at how fabulous this is. And then you have a tray here where you can put in all of your lipsticks. I am living and loving. You can put in your makeup brushes. And then look at this fabulous vanity brush of which you can use for your foundation and smooth it over. I really wanted to display it for you and see how it looks so that you guys can go to their website and get it. It was £600. It's now what? So you have to absolutely what? Go and get yours. All of my loves, my darlings, and I hope you enjoy your treat. Don't forget to use Fumi all across the website at OPV Beauty. Mwah! All of my love.